Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This exercise is basically using Ismul Ishara Ba'id, masculine and feminine, depending on the word that you are describing. Okay, so dhalika or tilka are the words that you're going to be using. Tilka obviously for feminine and dhalika for masculine. So ummun obviously means mother, so this is female. Tilka ummun, that is a mother. ذلك أب, that is a father. ذلك قلم, that is a pen. ملعقة, it has a ta marbuta at the end. So tilka ملعقة. عين is one of the dual things that are on a person's body, so it has to be feminine. Tilka عين, that is an eye. ذلك حجر, that is a stone. ذلك قميص, that is a shirt. قدر is mu'annath sima'i. It is feminine, even though there's no ta marbuta there. So, tilka qidrun, that is a pot. Tilka nafidatun, that is a window. Tilka baqaratun, that is a cow. Dhalika maktabun, that is a desk. Also, maktab can be used for office. Tilka naqatun, that is a she-camel. Dhalika muhandisun, that is an engineer. ذلك مؤذن, that is a mu'adhin. تلك ممرضة, that is a nurse. ذلك سرير, that is a bed. تلك حديقة, that is a garden. تلك طالبة, that is a female student. ذلك جمل, that is a male camel. تلك بطة, that is a duck. And the new vocabulary that you should have learned: al-mumarridatu, the nurse; al-hadiqatu, the garden; al-battatu, the duck; al-mu'adhdhinu, the mu'adhdhin; an-naqatu, the she-camel; al-baydatu, the egg. And this box basically describes asma'ul ishara lil qarib, so hadha and hadhihi for masculine and feminine respectively, when you are beckoning towards something that is close to you, and asma'ul isharati lil ba'id, when you are pointing at something which is far away. ذلك حامد, tilka زينب, masculine and feminine.